Good day, traders. Today we have a pocket option strategy with almost 70% of trades closing green over red. We are using the PipGems Signals app through the browser extension. All we really need to do is wait for the alert signal from PipGems. And right now, we have a GBP JPY put signal. We already have Bollinger Bands and RSI indicators on the chart, and these can help if you prefer more filters for every trade. The trend is moving downward, and our trade closed green. We get an AUD CAD put alert signal for 1 minute. Checking the chart, we are a bit late since the candle bar already dropped from the top of the Bollinger Band, and the RSI is heading down from the top. It moved downward, but then the trend did not follow our direction and turned upward instead, and this one resulted in a loss. But that is still normal. We will always have some trades that close red. It is impossible to get 50 straight green trades in a row. The market is our opponent. The indicator or signal simply gives an idea of what could happen in the next minute based on the parameter settings of the signal. We trade again. A Euro CHF call alert signal. This time, we did not expect that the candle bars are not touching the upper or lower Bollinger Bands, and the RSI is just sitting in the middle. But we still take the trade. We trust the PipGems Signals app. The trade moved up, and this one closed green. Now we are here on the PipGems dashboard, and we filter again for other high ROI non-OTC pairs. So now that both PipGems and Pocket Option are synced, we wait again for a trading alert signal. GBP CAD. It alerts us with a call signal. The trend moved up nicely, and this trade also closed green. See the rest of the video, and past results do not guarantee future results. Trade with risk in mind, and only invest what you can afford to lose.